some lovely content this morning as a part of the Neer summer suit sale. And of course, one small thing, that this fabric that I'm wearing is now in stock. Of course, a dupatta like this goes perfectly with it. Anyways, putting this aside, what I'm showing you here are some wonderful, and we wanted to kind of open them and show it to you so that you really can see the beauty in it. The bottoms are there. These are Kota tissue complete sets for you, and these are ready to be shipped today. What I'm going to be doing is showing you a color option in it. Now each one is of course 2.5 bottom, 2.5 kurta. Look at the beautiful colors. जो आपको अंदर जो दिख रहा है फैब्रिक उसके साथ, that is the bottom fabric, and of course a color matched lining will give a beautiful look. So that's the whole look that you're going for. Many pretty colors. The embroidery is different. You do have couple of options to kind of go for. These are so good for all the chota mota events that you have for the season. You can be wearing them with ease. You can be gifting them. They're like a win-win. You cannot go wrong with any of these. Acha, the easy way and the best way that you can place your order with us is on WhatsApp. कल का एक लाइव है, आज सुबह का एक छोटा सा एक वीडियो है on pure georgette summer suits which we have just posted, and then this is the other one, and that's all that there is. But so it's not much content. Just quickly watch it and come on WhatsApp and do it. And cash on delivery चाहे तो एक थोड़ा सा आप token कर सकते हैं, and the balance can come. Now you can see that each concept is same, just that the designs are different, but the colors so beautiful in any case, whichever one you pick. Now I love the natural colors, like something like this as well, the pastels which are brilliant. इनमें एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है, that the lining that you pick should be exactly the color match, because उसी से वो पूरा उसका the whole color kind of really looks nice in total. Now this is one more. अभी मैंने इसको उल्टा पकड़ा है. I'm just going to also show you the bottom. That's the bottom fabric. It's ready to be going out today. So yes, India shipping is free, and this is actually the time to kind of stock up on these amazing pieces, and then you can of course wear it right away. And everybody international, I know that you are constantly like shipping it to your tailor, so get them shipped today so that you can wear them really fast. Okay, and if you want international shipping, it's just one time जो आपको pay करना है. Very nice color. There is a green. Now this one I'm just going to show it to you like this so that you can get a complete look. But yes, and we can like quickly show you more color options like this. So look at that. That's your one color. And then this one, like the tissue element, I think it adds just that sheen which makes it look a little more formal, a little more dressy. And because everything has been done in it, there's nothing left. Embroidery bhi hai. All you have to do is get the right lining and then just stitch it and wear it and dress up in your need. So the summer suit sale also has Katan silk suits, which we did show yesterday, and many options, even in two-tone colors. So some brilliant ones in that which you should go for. Apart from that, there are Tussar silk prints which are great, I think in the 13,000. All of these suits 14,500, India free shipping and ready to be going out today. This is the last one that I have for you, which I'm just going to show it to you like this, and take a screenshot and come on the WhatsApp number. हमारा सिर्फ एक ही नंबर है, वो नीचे लिखा हुआ है, उसी पे आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है.